Have you ever wondered how ancient Sundanese traditions merged seamlessly with Islamic values? This unique blend has created a rich tapestry of culture that is both fascinating and deeply rooted in history. From the mesmerizing Wayang Golek puppetry, where each puppet tells a story steeped in folklore and moral lessons, to the vibrant Munggahan rituals, a time of joyous celebration and spiritual preparation before the holy month of Ramadan, Islam has shaped the art and culture of West Java in ways that are as beautiful as they are profound. The intricate designs of Islamic architecture blend harmoniously with traditional Sundanese art, creating a visual feast that tells the story of a community's faith and creativity. Join us as we explore this captivating fusion of tradition and religion and discover the heart and soul of West Java. West Java, home to the Sundanese people, is a region where culture and religion blend seamlessly. For centuries, Islamic teachings have played a significant role in shaping the art and traditions of this vibrant community. But how exactly does Islam influence Sundanese art? One of the most iconic expressions of Sundanese art is the Wayang Golek, a wooden puppet theater. This traditional art form has been cherished for centuries, captivating audiences with its intricate craftsmanship and storytelling. Each puppet is meticulously carved from wood and painted by hand, showcasing the incredible skill of the artisans. This ancient art form tells tales not only from the Ramayana and Mahabharata, but also Islamic narratives such as the Amir Hamza stories. These stories are brought to life through the puppeteer's skillful manipulation, creating a mesmerizing performance that blends drama, music, and dance. The puppets' movements are synchronized with traditional Sundanese music, adding a rhythmic and melodic dimension to the storytelling. Over time, puppets were adapted to reflect Islamic values, with characters dressed in Islamic attire, blending old and new traditions. This evolution showcases the adaptability of Wayang Golek, allowing it to remain relevant in a changing cultural landscape. Today, Wayang Golek continues to be a vibrant and dynamic form of entertainment, preserving the rich heritage of Sundanese culture while embracing new influences and themes. Here, Islamic saints such as Sunan Kalijaga play a crucial role in these performances. Through these stories, Islam was seamlessly introduced into the cultural fabric of West Java, without erasing its Hindu-Buddhist heritage. Beyond the performing arts, Islam has deeply influenced Sundanese social traditions. The rich cultural tapestry of the Sundanese people is interwoven with Islamic principles, creating a unique blend of customs and practices that are both vibrant and spiritually significant. The Munggahan tradition is one such example. This cherished event marks the beginning of the holy month of Ramadan and is a time for families and communities to come together in celebration and reflection. Practiced ahead of Ramadan, this event fosters community togetherness and spiritual preparation for the holy month. Families gather to share meals, exchange blessings, and engage in communal prayers, reinforcing the bonds of kinship and faith. Though not explicitly part of Islamic law, it embodies Islamic values of unity and reflection. The Munggahan tradition serves as a reminder of the importance of community, introspection, and spiritual readiness. It is a time for individuals to reflect on their personal growth and to prepare their hearts and minds for the sacred month ahead. Ruang Journal Win Bandung. Visual arts in the Sundanese community also reflect Islamic influences. From intricate calligraphy to mosque designs that blend Sundanese aesthetics, the presence of Islam in Sundanese culture is undeniable. These art forms preserve the beauty of Sundanese identity while embracing religious devotion. In Sundanese culture, Islam isn't just a religion. It's a powerful force that shapes the very essence of art, music, and tradition. From the Wayang Golek to the Munggahan, the role of Islam in Sundanese art continues to inspire, connecting the past with the present. Join us as we dive into the fascinating world of Sundanese art and discover how centuries of Islamic influence have created a unique cultural identity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more cultural deep dives.